Hey YouTube, this is Ashi from Yuki Scooby channel. Um, wow, it's been like a long time since I've like talked to you guys via webcam. Um, Too long. Um, I got my celebrity look today because I'm so tired. We just got through doing the shoot and Claude made me pee and it's very late at night, so that's why you're unable to see my whole face. However, watch the making though; it's really good. Um, there's some things I want to talk about with you guys. First of all, I would like to say, oh my gosh, like thank you so much for like 60 subscribers. I know some of you guys might be like, what? But I just think that it's really, I just think it's really kind that people would subscribe to my channel, even though I've been gone like 3 months at a time. But the reason why I've been gone 3 months at a time actually is because there's been a lot of changes in my life. I mean, so like rapidly happening. Um, One of the things include me having. I just got recently a new job, so now I'm working too. Yeah, special place I can't tell you. Anyway, I got a new job, so I'm gonna be starting that very soon. So I'm gonna have a really busy like schedule, but I will try to find the time to upload the videos when I can. Oh my goodness, it's like what's today? Like the 30th or something, or I think it's like the 28th. Yeah, the 28th. Um, I cannot believe 2011 is about to be gone. Oh my gosh, like it just got here to me. Well, kind of like, I mean, it's been a up and down road for many of us, but I don't know, I feel kind of sad. I always feel kind of sad when like the new year like leaves cuz I'm like, "Oh my gosh, the final days like um man, I'm going to miss you like 2011." But I mean, I know that 2012 would be really cool too. Um, Let me see what else. I wrote down some things so I don't forget because I forget very often. It's Claude's fault. Let me see. Oh, in addition to my new job, since I will be like affording, my own spending money, which is a blessing. I'm very glad, and um, I'm really glad that my parents supported me, up till now. So a big round of applause to them. I love them very much, and I'm very thankful. So now that I have um, two jobs, now Alex can work for his own money. Can you believe it? Me working? Yeah, me working. I can work for my, spending money. So one of the things that I really want to do is to get, well, my sister actually has a new camera, like a new camera, because this one is okay. I mean, this is the webcam from my computer, but there's been a evolution over the past. If you look at my video, so I hope to borrow that from her. I gotta buy some memory from Target, and I hope to buy that from her and get like new memory and like use it so it'll be like, oh my gosh, like crystal, because I've seen her use it before and it was like beautiful, so I'm like, oh, can I get that? And then so she's okay with me doing that. So as soon as I get some change, I'm gonna go get some memory, put that in the camera. And then I was thinking about recently I've been looking at beauty guru Destiny Goody. Like, she is so awesome. Like, she does a lot of great tutorials on makeup. And I always like to look at um, everybody. I mean, I like to learn. I like to grow. Somebody, I mean, they got something that I don't know, vice versa. I really like the unity and helping. So I like to watch a lot of people. But I was watching her, and one of the things I really liked that she had like a screen in the back, So like it's like a folded screen, so like she can close off, and you can just focus on the background that she has. So I want to get like a background like that because um, I think it'll just make the videos look more nicer, more neater in terms of me uploading them and talking to you guys. Cause not all the time I'm gonna have time to like go outside and like do a video. Although I would like to do that, my time's gonna be very limited. So um, I want to try to get the screen to go with the new video camera. So it'll be like a little bit more nicer. Um, yeah. Another thing I want to talk about is cosplays. Yes. Yes. Okay. So cosplays I'm going to be doing. I might try to do Trap Alloys before Fanime. I don't know. I have another costume that I want to do. I don't know if I should say that yet, but yeah, I'm not sure yet. But a secret one I'm doing. And so I'm gonna try to push out as many as I can. Um, I don't know how that's gonna work considering that I'm also beginning to be very active in the gym lately. Because I gotta get my share of body. Like I've been saying that for a long time, but I mean it's a process. So that just means is going the healthy route it should go. And so I'm gonna try to pay for like a gym membership too, so I can be really nice and fit, just look really nice. Um, no, not for Claude. um, yeah. So I'm gonna try to do that, but I'm gonna try to push out as many costumes as I can because I know con time. I cannot believe it, but con time is like around the corner. Like that's like oh my goodness. So I'm gonna try to do that. And so I think I'm gonna try to do Trap Alloys. I recently finished Masa Omikita, so school version, and I plan to do his middle school version, the purple pants, and of course his default. So I'm gonna try to get those done. I'm not sure if they'll be done by Fanime though, because I also like there's just so many new people out, but I have to do Uta Puri. Like Uta no Prince I have to be in that. And guess who I'm gonna be? I don't know, should I say it or maybe you should I don't know, we'll just keep that pending, but it's one of the guys and oh my gosh, like I have to be in that. I have to be a part of that. Later, I really want to be an Outlaw No Exorcist. Oh my goodness, I have to be in that. I really gotta be in that. Um So I'm gonna try to get that, but that's Outlaw No Exorcist is not even in the con season arc because I got so many other things going on like the secret cosplay, getting trap alloys. Oh my, I think I got some. I think I have somebody else going on, but for now those are the things that I'm gonna have. But I'm gonna try to get Utapuri done. And let me see, I talked about that. Conventions is coming up. I think AOD is going to be the first one to kick off. So hopefully I can get a chance to go to that one. So that would be really nice. I probably might be doing Amasa Omikita there. I haven't finalized that, but I think I'm going to play him there. Let me see. Photo shoots I'm going to try to get to. I'm going to incorporate a new item in my photo shoot. I'll talk about that more later, probably in the next video or something. But I'm going to step up my game in the photo shoot area in terms of quality of pictures. And I think this thing might go out. Let me see. I have a Facebook now. Facebook name is Ashi Ga. I wanted just to put just Ashi, but unfortunately, like many people have just Ashi, so I had to put like Ga as the last, so it can like let me have the name. So I'm gonna put that down at the bar down here. So I'm gonna put that down there. I have a live journal also, Ashi underscore or dash Ga. I'm gonna put that there. So I'm gonna be updating about my daily life, cosplay progress, pictures of the day, and stuff like that. Just if I went out and I took a picture or something, like that, you know, I'll put it on the thing. Or if I have any more photo shoots, I'll definitely put those on the site. Yeah, so you guys can just see what my day is like. I'm gonna try to upload that tonight, if not tomorrow, because it's really late. So I gotta go. I gotta go to work. I'm also on DeviantArt. Um, I'm gonna put those links at the bottom. Yeah, I'm gonna put all those links at the bottom. So I think that's pretty much it for right now. Again, thank you guys so much for subscribing, and thank you for your friend requests and everything. And also, I've been thinking, I want a name for like my subscribers. You know, the people who find the time, you know, just kind enough to subscribe to my channel. I want to call you like the Ashi Brigade. Like, yeah. So you guys, my subscribers, are a part of Ashi Brigade. So you're my, mm, that's my name. But you know, like people have team. I don't know, Edward T. You know, whoever. It's like, you know, okay, well we're Ashi Brigade, you know, or like that. Or you know how like Gaga says little monsters. It's like that. It's like that type of feeling. Okay. Thought the thing went out. But yeah, I just think that's really cute, and you know, I like to have that. I think that's really cute. So, okay, I'm gonna go now because this thing's gonna cut off on me. But I will see you guys very soon, and talk to you later. And hopefully, I can see you in the new year. This is the last video of the year, so have a happy and safe new year. I hope you guys had a really good Christmas. We had a really funny one. It was cool. And you guys stay safe, and I really heart you guys a lot. So I hope I can see you guys more at cons, and you know, just chill and just talk. It would be cool. So see you soon. Bye.